Hi everybody, Adam Pecoraro here, and we are going to be watching Becca and Bob's Tuesday lesson. We're in the month of December now. It's cold, but they're all smiles. Tuesdays begin with ab and core, and then arm maintenance before the meat of the workout. The arm maintenance idea is that I would rather give them compound lifts and coupling in their HIIT workout rather than have them just do standing bicep curls or shoulder presses. But I don't want them to miss out on those motions, so we do a thorough arm routine before we move into the HIIT workout. Now today, Beck and Bob did one set of each of their arm exercises, and they broke them up with a 1-minute round on the jump rope. In the end, I think it worked out to 10 single-minute rounds on the jump rope, 10 minutes of jump roping in total. If you're looking for a way to add a little fun and creativity to your workouts, consider adding jump rope intervals. Now there is a learning curve, but once you get past that, it is one of the best instruments that you could put into your fitness. Here he is, DOG into the room. Hi Dio, say hi to the people watching. The jump rope is an extremely effective form of cardiovascular exercise, and it doesn't require much more than just a little bit of space, a timer, and then as far as creativity goes, there are numerous activities that you can learn with the jump rope. Now we burn about 5 calories to consume 1 liter of oxygen. Okay, so what this means is that exercises that involve more muscles can increase the demand for more oxygen, and that allows you to expend more energy or burn more calories. So anyone who swung a rope for more than 20 seconds knows that it's a great way to elevate your heart rate. So jump rope is another great way if you're looking for athleticism, a great way to keep variety in your workout, a new challenge, and to consistently burn calories. Okay, so after all this is done, Becca and Bob begin their HIIT workout. You're gonna be watching the third set of their HIIT workout. So they do 60 seconds on, 30-second rest interval. They get a whole minute rest at the end of each set, and they go through 3 sets. They begin with just traditional push-ups. Now, traditional push-ups are hard. And once you get to the point where you can do them, they work so many muscles, and they don't take up a lot of space, and you don't need any equipment. So again, like the jump rope, they're worth developing the skill with, even if you've never been good at them. There's all kinds of ways that you can progress through them, including starting with a plank, doing push-ups from your knees, learning how to do a wall push-up or an incline push-up off of a chair, before you end up head to heel, strong as steel. Now, while they're beneficial for building upper body strength because they work the triceps and your pectoral muscles in your shoulders, when done with proper form, they can also strengthen your lower back and core because you engage the abdominal muscles. Doing push-ups every day can be effective if you're looking for a consistent exercise routine to follow. So now we have 3 coupling exercises. We put 2 exercises or more together. First one is a reverse lunge with a biceps curl. Now, if you remember, when Becca and Bob were doing the arm maintenance, they were only gonna do 1 set today. Usually I have them do at least 2. Now, here's where they're going to be using any of that stored energy in their arm muscles. So the reverse lunge is a little less intense on the knees, and it's going to work their quadriceps, both strengthening whatever leg is in front and stretching whatever leg is in the back. And then coupling that with a bicep curl, they have to stabilize in the lunge, and then they're going to be working their arms. Now this next exercise is a single dumbbell squat, overhead press, triceps extension. And since they've done so many arms already, what we did was we decided to do 1 dumbbell rather than 2, a dumbbell in each hand, just to make the weight that they're transitioning a little bit lighter. But again, the demand is still high because they've been doing so much work on these areas already. Now this next exercise is a halo to a lateral lunge and press. A halo is a different way to work your arms and core. Okay, so it's a nice challenge as far as mobility. They step into the lateral lunge, which gives you a great dynamic stretch on the inner thigh adductor muscles, but it also works your quadriceps and it helps you with hip mobility and balance. And then the forward press, great for the shoulders as far as pushing something or setting something, and as far as taking something or pulling something. Okay, so now they are going to be doing a pull-up and a slam ball. This is the end of the set. Becca's on one station, Bob's on the other, and then they switch. Now the pull-up is going to be done modified, or in this case, on an assisted machine. And this is so they can get the benefits while staying safe and learning the form. Why learn how to do pull-ups? Same thing as any other exercise. There's numerous benefits when done right. The thing is that usually pull-ups, along with push-ups, are some of the hardest exercises people have ever tried to do. And most of us try them for the first time when we're young, and if we can't do them right away, we tend to feel inadequate and never really revisit those exercises. I'd like to encourage you, if your body is able, to try them again, especially if you can do them on an assisted machine at a gym like Becca and Bob are. Because they're going to strengthen your back muscles, strengthen your arm and shoulder muscles, they'll improve your grip strength, your overall body strength and fitness level, your physical health, and when you can do something that you once thought was impossible, that improves your mental health. Depending on which exercise you would do with a slam ball, you could work your shoulders, your triceps, your pectorals, calves, back. You're always going to be working your core, especially your abdominals. And that's cool because you don't have to lay on your back and do crunches. But the primary advantage that I want you to understand is this is a power move. And in order to have power, you need strength coupled with speed. Now, the more powerful your muscles are, the faster your metabolism. Now, that could result in less body fat. Again, you can't just do the exercise once. You have to be consistent with some power training. So in this case, we have a lot of slow twitch exercises, stabilizing exercises, coupling, compound exercises. But then we want to make sure we put in something that is explosive. And that's where the slam ball comes in. Both Beck and Bob are moving the same weight. It's a 15-pound slam ball. Bob could easily do more. He's tossing the ball into the air. It's much easier for him to control. But you also have to remember that it's not always the weight, it's what the dynamic requires. And because it is so taxing, he'll use the lighter weight and just go for high reps or maximum reps. Once all this is done, Becca and Bob did a walk/jog for 1 mile. They do that out on the road, and then they head home. So all in all, about an hour-and-a-half workout. Very, very solid. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you like our videos, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time.